15 hidden signs. Your dog is trying to tell you they're sick. Dogs can't speak our language, but their eyes, their posture, and even their silence often scream what words cannot. Is your beloved furry friend silently suffering, trying to tell you they're in pain, but you're missing the signs? The truth is, dogs often hide their discomfort, leaving us unaware until it's too late. Imagine the heartbreak of realizing their cries for help were right in front of you all along. Today, we're uncovering 15 hidden signs your dog might be sick. Signs that could easily go unnoticed, but hold the key to saving their life. Some of these might shock you, but understanding them could make all the difference for your four-legged family member. Don't miss a moment. Your dog's well-being depends on it. Stay tuned to learn what these subtle signals mean and how you can act before it's too late. 1. Changes in appetite or thirst. When a dog suddenly stops eating or becomes uninterested in food, it's a clear red flag. Dogs are creatures of habit, so appetite loss often signals gastrointestinal problems or pain. On the flip side, excessive thirst can point to serious issues like kidney disease or diabetes. You might notice your dog hovering around the water bowl more than usual, or even urinating more frequently. This behavior change isn't just a quirk. It's their way of saying something's wrong. Even subtle appetite changes, such as picking at food or avoiding certain textures, can indicate dental issues or nausea. 2. Lethargy or low energy. Does your usually energetic pup seem uninterested in playtime or long walks? Lethargy is one of the most common signs of sickness in dogs and can point to infections, chronic pain, or even conditions like anemia. If your dog prefers lying down all day, it might be their way of conserving energy due to an underlying issue. Notice if they're reluctant to engage in their favorite activities, like chasing a ball or running to greet you. Their lack of enthusiasm can also stem from emotional distress or depression. Watch out for additional symptoms like labored breathing or whining, which could accompany their low energy levels. 3. Vomiting or diarrhea. While occasional vomiting or loose stools can happen, frequent episodes are a sign of trouble. Persistent vomiting, especially with blood, can indicate anything from gastrointestinal blockages to poisoning. Similarly, diarrhea lasting more than a day could mean parasites, dietary intolerances, or infections. Watch for additional signs like dehydration, as this can quickly escalate into a life-threatening situation. Vomiting paired with lethargy or a bloated abdomen requires immediate veterinary attention. 4. Frequent urination or difficulty urinating. Is your dog asking to go outside more than usual or struggling during bathroom breaks? Both scenarios could point to a urinary tract infection, bladder stones, or even diabetes. Straining to urinate or visible discomfort during elimination should never be ignored. In male dogs, difficulty urinating might signal a blockage, which is a veterinary emergency. Additionally, accidents inside the house from a house-trained dog could indicate incontinence related to aging or hormonal imbalances. 5. Coughing or breathing changes. A persistent cough might seem harmless, but could be hiding more serious issues like heart disease, kennel cough, or respiratory infections. Wheezing or labored breathing may indicate asthma or even an allergic reaction. Watch out for unusual noises while your dog breathes, such as honking sounds, which are characteristic of tracheal collapse in smaller breeds. If your dog suddenly struggles to catch their breath or appears panicked, seek help immediately. Before we dive into the rest of this list, take a moment to like this video if you're finding these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-saving advice for your furry friends. 6. Skin or coat changes. Healthy skin and a shiny coat are hallmarks of a dog's well-being, so any changes should catch your attention. If you notice redness, flakiness, or sudden bald patches, these could be signs of allergies, parasites, or infections. Itchiness and excessive scratching often accompany these issues, leading to sores or scabs. Hormonal imbalances like hypothyroidism can also manifest as dry or thinning fur. Pay attention to how your dog reacts during grooming sessions. Flinching or pulling away could indicate sensitivity. 7. Limping or difficulty moving. If your dog suddenly limps or avoids physical activity, It could indicate pain from an injury or arthritis. This is especially common in older dogs but can affect younger ones due to accidents or overexertion. Watch for signs like reluctance to climb stairs, difficulty getting up, or hesitation during walks. Dogs instinctively hide pain, so subtle shifts in their movement could mean more than you think. Joints and muscles can become inflamed, reduced mobility. Are you noticing these warning signs in your dog? Some may be subtle, but ignoring them could lead to serious consequences. Stick with us as we uncover even more hidden ways your dog might be trying to tell you something's wrong. 8. Behavioral changes. Has your dog's personality changed overnight? Sudden aggression, anxiety, or excessive clinginess often stem from physical discomfort or emotional distress. These behavioral shifts might occur if they're in pain or struggling with an undiagnosed illness. Dogs also withdraw socially when they're not feeling well, avoiding interaction with family or other pets. Sometimes they may exhibit repetitive behaviors like pacing or whining, which could signal cognitive decline or neurological issues. 9. Bad breath or dental issues. Your dog's mouth is a window into their overall health, and bad breath is often a sign of dental disease or oral infections. While occasional bad breath after meals isn't alarming, persistent foul odors could indicate conditions like gingivitis, periodontal disease, or even abscesses. Other signs to watch for include excessive drooling, difficulty chewing, or dropping food while eating. These symptoms could mean pain in their teeth or gums, which can significantly impact their appetite and well-being. Untreated dental problems can lead to more severe health issues, including infections that spread to other parts of the body. 10. Swelling or lumps. Finding a lump on your dog can be alarming, but not all lumps are cancerous. However, any new swelling, especially if it grows quickly or feels warm to the touch, should be evaluated by a vet. These lumps could be cysts, abscesses, or tumors, both benign and malignant. Painful lumps or ones that cause your dog to lick excessively might signal irritation or infection. Regularly check your dog for lumps during grooming to catch anything unusual early. Early detection can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. 11. Changes in eyes or ears. Your dog's eyes and ears are sensitive indicators of their health. Redness, discharge, or cloudiness in their eyes might signal infections, allergies, or even more severe issues like glaucoma. Similarly, frequent ear scratching, shaking of the head, or foul-smelling discharge could mean an ear infection or mites. Left untreated, these conditions can lead to permanent damage or hearing loss. Eye and ear problems can also cause significant discomfort, leading to changes in behavior, such as irritability or lethargy. Regular grooming and routine checks can help you spot these signs early. Don't hesitate to consult your vet, as early treatment is often straightforward and effective. 12. Excessive scratching or grooming. While it's normal for dogs to scratch or groom themselves, doing so excessively could indicate underlying problems. Allergies, parasites like fleas or ticks, or skin conditions like dermatitis often cause relentless scratching or licking. Over time, this behavior can lead to sores, bald patches, or skin infections. Some dogs even lick out of stress or anxiety, which may require a behavioral approach alongside medical care. Keeping your dog on a flea and tick prevention program and addressing any allergens in their environment can help alleviate these issues. Don't dismiss this as a harmless habit. It's often a cry for help. 13. Sudden weight changes. A noticeable change in your dog's weight, whether gain or loss, should never be ignored. Rapid weight loss without a change in diet or activity level could indicate conditions like cancer, diabetes, or gastrointestinal diseases. On the other hand, sudden weight gain might signal hormonal imbalances, like hypothyroidism or even fluid retention from heart or kidney issues. 14. Shaking or trembling. Trembling in dogs isn't always due to cold or fear. It can also signal serious health concerns. Shaking might indicate pain, poisoning, or even neurological conditions like seizures. Some breeds are more prone to tremors, but sudden or unexplained shaking is always worth investigating. Watch for other symptoms like vomiting, lethargy, or loss of coordination, which could point to a more severe issue. 15. Digestive irregularities. Bloating, abdominal discomfort, or changes in bowel movements can signal serious digestive issues. Dogs experiencing bloating may appear restless, pant heavily, or refuse to lie down comfortably. This condition, known as gastric torsion or bloat, is life-threatening and requires immediate attention. Regular feeding schedules and proper nutrition are key to maintaining digestive health. If your dog's digestive habits change drastically, don't delay in seeking veterinary advice. You now have the tools to recognize these hidden signs and act quickly to protect your furry friend's health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights to keep your dog happy and healthy. Your best friend deserves the best care, so stay informed.